Hello and welcome back to KM Webers. This is Kashif Mahmood. If you want to install a Shopify theme using a zip file, whether your theme is from Theme Forest, Inveto Elements, or any other provider, the process is the same. In this video, I will walk you the exact steps to upload and install your Shopify theme the right way. Also, if you are looking to master Shopify, don't forget to check out my ongoing Shopify course where I am covering everything from the store setup to advanced customization. So let's get started with the video. I will be using Ella theme. It's the best selling Shopify theme on Theme Forest, but you can follow this method for any theme you have. Let's get started. This is the best theme of all time and it is multi-purpose. You want to open a shoe store, you can use this theme, and if you want to open any kind of other store like beauty, technology, digital products, fashion, you can use this store. This is because this theme has several options and several demos as well. It has 38,000 sales and 1100 reviews. You can ask any question if you have by going to this support tab. I have downloaded the theme file. So if you want to install it, you can just extract this file. Process will be same for any theme that you use. So we are using Ella theme in this video, but you can use any other theme if you want. So we can open this folder and here you will see Ella Shopify 6.5.5, and here is the theme source file, and here we have all the demo data. So we can go to our Shopify store. So this is the store that I created on Shopify partners for completely free. If you want to create a store completely free, then you can watch this video, how to create development store on Shopify partner program. So you can watch this video and create a completely free Shopify store that you can make live when you purchase the plan. So you can keep on developing your store until you want to launch it. So it's pretty good if you are just learning, or if you want to create a development store so you don't need to pay while developing your store. So now let's go back to the video, and to install the theme we will have to go to sales channel, and here we will go to online store. So here you can see we are currently using Dawn theme. So if you want to install the theme, you can just click on add theme, and here you can click on upload zip file, add file, and here we will upload this theme source file. You can click on upload file. It will take like a minute. Here you can see it says installing theme. So here you can see the theme is installed. So now if you want to preview the theme, you can just click on this preview button. So here you will see the theme. This is the default demo of the store. Here, as my website name is too long, that's why it's showing like this. When we will upload our logo, we will optimize it, then it will be better. So don't worry about that. If you will click on this view store button, you will see the old theme that you installed previously. So to make it live, you will have to click on this publish button, and you can click on this publish button. So this will replace your current theme. If you are working on a live store, then I don't recommend to do this. Then you can publish this theme when you have finished working. So you can just click on this customize button over here, and you can complete design your website, and then you can publish it. So let's publish it for this video. So the theme is published. Here you can see current theme, and now if you will visit your store, so here you can see the new theme. You will have to upload your own images in order to see your products and things. So if you will go back to the theme and you will click on this live preview button over here, and if you will scroll down, here you will see different demos. So if you want to create a beauty store, for example, you can just search for beauty over here. You will see health and beauty tab, and when you will select it, you will see the beauty demo that the theme is having. So you can install this demo to have some basic design setup for your website, And if you want to create any other kind of website like electronics, garden, accessories, fashion, then you can just click on them and you can see the demos. And if you want to install those demos, then you can install them from this demo data file. So for that I will create another video. So next video will be about how you can install these demos. By the way, if you have purchased the theme, you will see this documentation as well. So you can open this documentation and it has everything that you need to know about this theme, like all kind of tutorials and guides are available within this documentation. So you can check out that if you have any additional queries, or you can just leave a comment on my channel, and you can also contact me via my website. I will provide the link for my website in the description of the video. I also provide website designing services and store creation services. So here you can see website development, website maintenance, website audit, live sports. So you can contact me for these, or you can check out the products that I have created. If you have enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment and hit the subscribe button. Your engagement not only supports me but also help YouTube recommend my content to more viewers. Thank you for helping me grow. See you next time.